We know we need to act on climate change, but what do we need to do? Where do we need to do it? And how do we make a start? At PCAN, we know how much place matters to people. It's what we're all about. Tackling climate change where you live transforms the scale of the climate challenge from something that can seem overwhelming to something that's tangible and achievable. And everyone can contribute in their own way. Our story started by talking to people in Leeds in 2017. Businesses, organisations, the council, the universities, charities and grassroots groups came together to form a climate commission that would help guide the city to reach its climate target and keep everyone safe from climate impacts. It turned out to be so popular that we formed 2 more in Edinburgh and Belfast. And then we got really ambitious in 2021. We did one for the whole of Yorkshire and the Humber. Other places liked what we were doing, and soon climate commissions were popping up around the UK. So what do you need to create a climate commission where you live? PCAN have combined their experience into a cookbook with key ingredients for success and a step-by-step method to make your own. Every place is different, so deciding what your climate commission should do is down to the people who know and love it. Take the recipe and make it your own. Together, we transform where we live, make the most of the opportunities, protect people, including future generations, and restore nature. That's one beautiful bake, and everyone can enjoy the benefits.